and welcome back to this month's episode of Palmera Go. It's April, which means that the RBC Heritage is back in town, and the island couldn't be more excited. In the spirit of the tournament, let's take a look at some of the standout golf courses you can play while visiting Hilton Head, or as some call it, Golf Island. One of the first golf courses created on the island, Barony Course is just one of two courses at the Port Royal Golf and Racquet Club. The other, Robbers Row, brings you back in time with historical markers throughout the course. The club itself offers 36 holes, but if that's not enough for you, the Shipyard Golf Club offers 27 more within their Clipper, Galleon, and Brigantine courses. Remember, guests of all four resorts, Island Links, Coral Sands, Coral Reef, and Portugal, may enjoy a tee time at these courses for up to 4 players per time. Golf is a year-round activity on the island, but our beautiful spring weather makes it that much more enjoyable. Let's see what's available. It looks like everyone has been taking my advice on checking what smart stays are available, which is really smart to do, but everything for spring break has been sold out. If you still want to take that spur-of-the-moment trip, don't worry. You still have the VIP options available, highly discounted weeks exclusive for our members that are a cash option. You have the flexibility to choose from 3, 4, or 7 night stays. So let's see what's available in May. And as we get closer to the beginning of summer, and as the travel industry is getting back into the swing of things, a large number of resorts and hotels across the nation are raising their prices. But look at how great these deals are. For the week of May 14th, a 7-night stay is only $1,217. That's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa that is pet-friendly and can sleep up to 10 people. Think about it. Accommodations for 10 people at just over $1,200? That's an incredible find. I say just start packing your bags now. Keeping with the theme of this month's video, South Carolina is truly full of great golfing destinations, Myrtle Beach being one of them. There's over 80 award-winning golf courses along its 60 miles of coastline, all of which you can check out from this helpful website. And lucky for you, there's typically a bunch of units to choose from year-round on the RCI Exchange website. I even found some available on the 1,000 points or less page that were in the Myrtle Beach area. One in particular caught my eye, so let's go find it now. And it looks like here it is, in Surfside Beach, South Carolina. Located only 7 miles outside of Myrtle Beach and a quick 15-minute drive from the Myrtle Beach International Airport, this resort is beautiful and has great reviews. There are weeks available starting at only 750 points. And taking a closer look at the resort itself, it looks very family-friendly, which is only to be expected since Surfside Beach has been deemed the family-friendly beach. Their pool also looks like it's a lot of fun. Another popular and well-known golfing destination along the Carolina coastline is one of our Sea Island neighbors, Kiowa Island, home to the PGA Championship. You can always visit and play the ocean course at Kiowa, or you can enjoy the many other beautiful courses around Charleston. Whether you're a golfer or not, Charleston is always a wonderful place to visit year-round. And if you're interested in planning a trip to Charleston, let's head over to Quest to help kickstart your planning process. It's the easiest way to find the best deals and give you inspiration for that future trip. Let's see what's available for a long weekend. And you might actually be surprised at what you find. There are discounts on some of the biggest names and most luxurious hotels and inns in prime locations. You will also always find deals on prices that are already reasonable. And once you've taken care of your accommodations, always check on what kind of discounted activities are available. Charleston is full of history, beautiful architecture, and delicious food, so the most obvious activity is going to be a tour, whether it's by foot, carriage, bus, or by boat. All are a great way to explore Charleston. And there you have it. I'll see you next month for more travel inspiration and great deals just waiting to be found. Until next time!